Matterport is the market-leading 3D platform that lets anyone turn a physical space into an immersive digital twin. Offices, factories, shops, museums, schools, you name it. Scans are captured from any compatible camera, including the phone in your pocket. This recent innovation is made possible thanks to Matterport's huge data library and our proprietary image processing pipeline we call Cortex. A true digital twin is not only visually impactful, but imperatively also dimensionally accurate. Once a digital twin is created, it can be customized with tags, labels, and guided tours. Then, easily shared with anyone on any device. They can virtually view, collaborate, and engage inside the digital twin just as though you were in the physical space itself. Thousands of companies in over 170 countries use Matterport as a way to quickly and easily create their digital twins to better market their properties, or as a way to efficiently and clearly collaborate with their teams to streamline their workflow and be more productive, saving them countless hours and unnecessary costs.